Okay, I just want to go over a few tips. Okay, the first one is our oils, our natural oils keep our sterling silver clean. What gets in the way of it is our perfumes, our makeup, our moisturizers. So what I recommend is that you put all your creams on, your moisturizer, your makeup, your perfume, all of that. Let it soak in, then put your chain on. Okay, that's that. You want to keep your silver away from the air. If you're not keeping it on you, you have to keep it out of the air. It's just that simple. So what we do is we keep our stuff in plastic bags. If you get a chain from us, it comes in this little cellophane bag with an anti-tarnish strip. This has been in here for months. It looks brand new. It's just a perfect way to keep sterling silver. And what is my, if you don't have a plastic bag, you can use a Ziploc, anything. You just want the air out of it. I've got these very flattened out. I'll take this out since it's in my hand to show you that earrings you want to store separately. I put them in their own little bag, put them back in this bag so that they stay together, and then when I'm traveling I have it. So that's basically just quick tips on how to clean sterling silver. With our polishing cloth, you get the cloth, our little mini survival kit, and these rubber gloves. And what I went over in another video with the rubber gloves is that if you use the gloves, your hands aren't going to get dirty and you're not going to take the chemical off the cloth. That's it. Thanks for watching.